In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in Splitwise. Merging accounts is really helpful if you accidentally created more than one Splitwise account, maybe with different email addresses, or if you've been using separate logins and now want everything in one place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to combine those accounts safely so that your balances, groups, and expenses are all under a single clean profile. First, make sure you're logged into the Splitwise account that you want to keep as your main account. This will be the account you continue to use going forward. Once you're on the Splitwise website, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This might appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a simple user icon depending on your account. After clicking the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From that menu, select your account. This will take you to your account settings page. Take a quick moment here to confirm that you're in the correct account by checking the email address and name shown on this page, because this is the account that will remain after the merge. On the account settings page, look for an option labeled Merge with another account. It's usually listed along with other account management options. Go ahead and click on Merge with another account. This opens a dedicated merge page where you'll tell Splitwise which second account you want to merge into your main one. On the merge page, you'll be asked to fill in some details for the other account. Typically, this will include the email address or login information associated with the second Splitwise account, and you may need to confirm that you own it. Carefully type in the correct information and double check the spelling of the email address to avoid merging the wrong account. Once everything is filled in and you're sure both the main account and the secondary account are correct, click on the Merge Accounts button. Splitwise will then begin combining the two accounts. Your groups, friends, and balances from the secondary account should be transferred into your main account. After the merge completes, review your groups and recent expenses to make sure everything looks right. From now on, you can sign in using just your main account and enjoy a single organized Splitwise profile.